Hello? Hello? Yeah. Hello? Hello, Anna?
Hello.
Yeah.
It's audible.
Yeah, Anna. Anna, exactly ఒక 5 minutes ఆగుదాం అన్న. ఒక 5 minutes.
Okay, okay.
Okay, Anna. Okay. Okay. Hello, everyone. A very good morning to everybody over here. I feel so honored to invite my senior. అన్న నేమ్ వచ్చేసి అఖిల్ అన్న. Basically, he secured very good rank, and let's discuss everything in few minutes. Basically, so what I need from you is basically share the new link as soon as possible, because the actually what happened is if few people joined with the link that I have shared yesterday at the level PM. What happens is this meeting can't be recorded, and as you know, a lot of people can't can't involve in the live session. There may be a lot of reasons, but they should have at least a recorded session which is uploaded in YouTube for the guidance itself. But when it comes to my link, it can't be recorded basically. So hence I've created a new link and I've shared it among you. So I think it's okay for everyone. Please do share the new link actually. It's the new link actually, okay? And let's start the session at exactly 6:10. And from now itself, if somebody is getting any queries regarding the preparation, general preparation, not ESET specific preparation, general, any competitive examination has a common pattern and a common preparation. The mode of questions and the difficulty level of the examination may differ. Yeah. So what I wanted to mention over here is like around 3 lakh people, like around 3 lakh people, or like you can say that around more than 2 lakh people give get examination, and Akhil Anna got 200 to 250 between rank, which means that he is in the top 0.2% zone, which means that almost less than 1%, which is actually great thing, because getting under 1000 rank in gate is next level, and getting less than 1000 rank, that to less than 500, that to less than 250 is awesome. When it comes to civil, if you want to, if you need something, it's like if getting is 250 rank in civil, if you remove this pandemic zone, and if you are like let us say before March 15 2020, due to this pandemic, what happened was like most of the PSUs like Maharatna, IOCL, ONGC, Miniratna, Navaratna, all these PSUs, what happened is they are not opening the openings basically. They are not having proper notification due to this pandemic. Production stopped, manufacturing stopped, everything stopped. So how they can recruit someone, like, okay? But they are not even drain like firing out the employees. They are like retaining the employees, but they are not hiring the employees as they do in every year. Only government organizations like National Highway Authority of India, RITES, IRMS, like all, like not IRMS, like some other thing, IRCON, IRCO on like HPCL, HEL, HAL, like these government PSUs are recruiting because it's a government thing. So what I wanted to mention over here is uh, brother got a rank, Akhil Anna got a rank. He is in this situation that he should choose one of them. Like he can be open, like he may get into IIT Bombay, even he get IOCL or ONGC, or else he can go to NITI Mumbai, or else he go to foreign studies, anything. Akhil brother can do anything because he secured such very good rank, less than 259. When it comes to another scenario such as CSC, like let us take CSC for an instant, they need to get top 100 basically. And when it comes to mechanical, it almost equal to less than 150. When it comes to civil, there are a lot of PSUs basically when it comes to civil, so you can get into 250 also. So the whole point of discussion is what is the actual preparation needed for the gate examination. But when we discuss about the preparation regarding for the gate examination, it doesn't mean that it doesn't applicable for research examination. My dear brothers and sisters and all the greatest over here, any preparation is just a preparation. The pattern involved in the preparation, the preparation modules in the preparation are common for everything. Just the difference is syllabus. Again, the difference is syllabus, mode and difficulty of questions, and the third thing is what are the practice bits that you are doing. Practice bits in the sense like practice questions, ESET previous questions, or any other previous questions, or else you can select test series specifically. So the syllabus, and what the mode means, what like sometimes like ESET is an examination in which you have 200 questions, 180 minutes, but gate is completely different. You just have 65 questions, you have enormous amount of time, like 180 minutes, each question 3 minutes. So in that way, syllabus is different, slightly different. Then after we have mode and something called this, these are things different. But again, test series, you need to do something different. Yeah, okay. So let's start. We are only having 30 minutes, like 30 to 45 minutes session, max to max 30 minutes. So yeah, let's start today's session. Um, First of all, Akilana, is it audible, Anna?
Yeah, yeah, it's all.
Anna, first of all, it's very honored to invite you, and you have accepted without any hesitance in the first call itself. Thank you, Anna.
Okay, it's okay.
Congratulate, Anna.
Thank
Congratulations.
you, brother.
Heartily congrats. And all the best from all the grittiers around, like behalf of the grittiers and being a gritter. All the best for all your future endeavors, Anna.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Anna, to like I think we should be not we should be unconventional. It should not be conventional interview. So what we'll do, Anna? Let I ask some of the questions, some of the common queries regarding the preparation, and to answer it simultaneously. But these people, like these two people or more than two people who are attending in between the seminar, like they can post the questions in the comment section. But we take this section after the interview, Anna.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, Anna, I have picked the questions, and each question is different perspective, and it can be answered in a different perspective among students. But when it comes to a gate ranker, you have a clear perspective on what is right and what is wrong. So each of the questions is completely different, and you can take as much as long as time you can, Anna.
Yeah, okay.
Basically, you said that your health is not okay, so you can skip it. You can trim it and say it shortly, Anna. It's your vision.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, okay, Anna. Once let's check, Anna. Is it audible? All my details. Is it audible? If it is audible, try to message me in the chat section, because if something goes wrong, it will be not good. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. And again, I wanted to say it last. Even it may be recorded in YouTube. You will miss the interaction. Basically, what actually happening over here. Sometimes whatever you think that it is a silly question, that might be picked, because I said to Saket that pick the silly questions only. Pick the most of the silly questions, because it clears the doubt for a large audience. So it's better to be in the live, okay? Okay, let's start the question. Akilana, in short, in less than 1 minute, can you introduce yourself from schooling? In a short, I wanted to say, tell the short film of your biography, Anna, like
Yeah,
from the
okay.
schooling. Yeah,
Firstly, I'm really happy for Santosh because he started such a great initiative and is not expecting anything. He's helping students. That is a good thing. So, good morning, friends. I'm Akhil. Presently, I'm an undergraduate student, final year student in BTech Civil Engineering from Usmania University. As mentioned earlier by Santosh, actually I've given the GATE 2021 examination this February and I've secured All India rank 246. This is something brief about me. That's more than enough.
yeah, Anna, yeah, Anna.
Yeah,
And
I'm really glad to meet you all people virtually.
yeah, and we are actually glad. And actually, I wanted to again mention that most of the people think that, like some people think that you are from third year, but basically it's not. Basically, for Akhil and I, this is the first attempt. Trust me, first attempt. Trust me. Even in second attempt and third attempt, most of the people do not even qualify in GATE, even after taking in coaching in Delhi also. There are some reputed institutions everywhere, but some people go to Delhi because of the expert faculty over there. But even going after there, they'll what to do, they'll end of the day, like even like in second attempt, third attempt, they will get to somewhere around 5,000. But getting the first attempt from a tier 3 college like Usman University is something different. I think it involved something unique. It involves something called discipline, and all this, like as I always say, everything is simple but not easy. I think you understood that and you have worked on it, Anna. So that's what we saw in your result. And without any further delay, let's start the session, Anna. And the first question is, why gate for you? Like before, why gate for you? Let you explain briefly about what is gate, Anna. Actually, what
Yeah,
is
okay.
gate actually?
Uh, GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, wherein it's basically some all the concepts of your engineering is tested in the form in the manner of an aptitude based exam, wherein you'll have different types of problems in the form of MCQs. You'll have the multiple select questions. You'll have numerical type of questions. It's brief. Mainly, it also involves the aptitude part, English part, the mathematics part. Along with your technical part, you also see the sections containing aptitude, English, and mathematics. And you'll see around 65 questions, and you'll get 3 hours of your time. and the total marks for this particular examination is 100. Later, this 100 marks is converted into a score of 1000, and you are awarded a rank based on the score. This is in short about GATE. So actually, why GATE? See, GATE is always an underrated examination among students because many students don't know what are the benefits that you are going to get from GATE. um, Talking about it, GATE is one of a common examination. It's a national level examination wherein students from different states would appear for this examination and perform in this examination. So this is a common examination which gives you multiple options in your career. For example, you can do masters from the reputed colleges of India like NITs, IITs, and other state universities. And you can also get into the public service undertakings, which give you a very good pay scale, initial pay scale. And you can also get opportunities in foreign universities, some of the colleges from Singapore, Germany, you can join there. And you can also do MBA in NITI Mumbai. You can do management courses from NITI Mumbai. So after knowing completely about the opportunities which you get after the GATE examination, I would ask you only, why not GATE?
Yeah, no, it's very sweet and short actually. Yeah, yeah. So, Anna, what is your take on why you get, like, what is the ultimate aim after getting gate, Anna? Like, you have secured like a rank, a position
See,
in the
many
crowd.
many aspire to get into IITs. They try during their intermediate time for getting into BTech into the IITs, but they could not succeed. So now it's a kind of opportunity again you're getting for getting into IITs. Many have a dream of studying in IITs, some of the reputed colleges of our India. So it's a very good platform, and the people who are really interested in towards the teaching field, it is must that they should do the MTech and PhD. So IITs provide you a very good infrastructure, a very good faculty members there, a very good exposure there. Uh, so it's a very good opportunity for doing masters or doing MS in IITs. On the other hand, you also have PSUs, which are a very good paying job. So no one like would leave such a job. You get a initial, very high initial salaries, which you can't get in any of the private sector, and you also have very like huge amount of perks in these jobs. So there are very good benefits of writing the GATE examination. Also, you can do masters in some of the foreign universities. Without you'll get a full scholarship. Also, you need not pay any amount there. So like these are some of the good things about the GATE examination.
Yeah, no, actually, there is a saying that even if it is a UPSC, IAS, or IES or ES, whatever we say,
Yes.
you need to clear the exam for getting job. When it comes to gate, it is a gateway of opportunities. So,
See, in fact, these PSUs will offer you more salaries than those of the normal UPSC also. See, an
yeah, yeah,
IAS,
no.
more than an IAS officer, you can get salaries in these PSUs.
Like almost double also. Like
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can
almost
expect.
double. Yes.
So, like whenever, like, I have also just heard this joke called, like, if you are confused about your career, go and prepare for the gate examination. The reason for that is basically it opens opportunities, no, Anna. So, like, you can
Yeah,
choose any
you
one
have
of them.
many opportunities.
Yeah, Anna. Anna, like, I have in the recent call I have heard from you that you wanted to become a structural engineer, Anna. Can you
Yes.
elaborate it, like how you wanted to become, like what the path you have chosen?
I think you all know about the various sub branches in a particular stream of engineering. Similarly, in civil engineering, also you have some set of streams there, namely the structural engineer, water resource engineer, geotech engineer, transportation, construction management, and many other. So in that, I aspire to be an structural engineer because my inclination towards these structural subjects. I like structural subjects a lot. So I wanted to become a very good structural engineer. See, the structural engineers will have a very good opportunities. Even if you join any MTech program in any of the IITs or NITs, you get a very good placements in the structural engineering part. Because see, you see structures everywhere. So the demand for structural engineer is growing day by day.
Yeah, yeah. What and what your take, like IISc Bangalore versus IIT Bombay? Where you wanted to land?
See, if you're completely inclined towards doing research, doing your PhD kind of things, the IISc Bangalore is the best one. You get a
Yes.
very good faculty there, completely involved in research. You don't expect placements there because you
Yeah.
want to grow in your career. You join IISc. Whereas if you want to work in an industry or you want to get a very good job, a good placement, then you prefer any of the IITs, top IITs.
Yeah. Anna. Anna, next question is like when you started your preparation, Anna.
See, actually, many people think that GATE examination is one of the very toughest examination. The main reason for it is you need to cover a very vast syllabus. See, covering 15 to 20 subjects which you studied in your engineering is not at all easy, and retaining that until your final examination is also not very easy. Uh, that that is the reason why only around 15 to 20 percentage of the total students who are appearing for the GATE examination will just qualify.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, because of the vast syllabus they need to cover and they need to remember everything. That is a like a difficult part of this examination. So keeping in this in my mind, I started my preparation very early. I started it during my fifth semester, I guess. Actually, I've joined a coaching institute. Yeah, from then I started my preparation. I've sincerely prepared. See, GATE requires smart work as well as hard work.
Yeah.
So you need to work smart and need to give very good amount of time for cracking it.
Yeah. So, okay. Yeah. Like I wanted to elaborate something. Like Akilana said that he joined in one of the reputed institute in Hyderabad, and basically in third year, which means that Akilana joined in the month of May or June, like the running
Yeah, in
month
the
in
summer.
this May.
In the
Like
summer.
if I feel that this time, like if you remove the COVID pandemic, like generally colleges start their new semester in the month of June, and brother joined in the month of May, like somewhat prior, and that what actually makes like when you start early, when you have an edge to win early. So as Akilana said that he was like he didn't work out extraordinarily, but what he makes sure that whatever sirs and madams are telling in those institute, he followed it religiously. Yes or no, Anna? Is it right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So
You are true.
Akilana said that he took those suggestions. He didn't like he didn't invented or discovered something good strategy. Just followed them actually. So Anna, it's like you people like students can take one point from this is it doesn't require that you should start from first year or second year or like something else. You can even start in third year. Like most of the people do start in fourth year,
Yeah, most
but
of the people just start before the examination also. Or like from the 4 month, before 4 months or before 6 months prior to the examination, they'll start. He will start and they'll get good ranks also.
yeah, no, yeah. Yeah. But it like it's obvious thing. But some people do self study, some people do coaching, some people even study just before month. But like we should understand our capability and you should act accordingly. I think Akilana did extraordinary well in the timing. Basically, this timing is very important because if Akilana is from regular like inter background student, so at least he know to have some basic concepts. So he waited for second year. I think that is the only reason that he joined in third year. If he is the diploma student, he would obviously join in second year first semester or second year second semester. Is it right, Anna? To get that basic
Yeah, like
understanding.
actually, I also not knowing about this GATE examination. I got to know
Okay.
this pretty late, but when I
Okay.
got to know, I joined
Join
immediately.
early. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. I think that's the best time, Anna, because you will get 1 year coaching and you have 1 year sufficient time. It will not become too early. It will not become too lately. Also, you had
Yeah,
enough
mostly
time.
like third year is the best time, I guess.
Yeah, but
Joining
even
in 3-1 or 3-2 could serve your purpose.
yeah, and also right now, recently, IIT Bombay in the Gate 2021 mentioned that third year also can appear, which means that even they don't get PSUs. Even right now, PSUs are going privatized and there is no security, and which were used to be the highest priority in previous years. So most of the people can opt MTech in future, and it has a really demand in future also. So the purpose of writing the Gate in third year is not just a try. You can get a good score and you can get into a good IIT. Is it right, Anna? What
Yes,
your
yes.
take on is?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because GATE is valid for 3 years. The GATE score is
Yeah.
valid for 3 years. You can do anything if you get a good rank in that particular 3 years.
Even sometimes it may happen that in third year you will getting a good rank, like even under 100. Like there are a lot of people who scored 100 rank in third year. Sometimes due to something project work or some other research activities, or like in college some activities may affect the gate preparation in the fourth year, so you can use the third year, so it's not just a
Yeah,
trial.
this was the main reason I joined in early in the gate preparation,
Yeah, yeah,
because in 4 years you need to do internship, you need to do the project work, the some other
yeah, yeah,
things also.
yeah, yeah,
So you should not have any interruptions when you're preparing. So that's
yeah, yeah.
why I joined earlier.
So that's the time that we need to revise, practice, test risk. Only you should do this thing.
Yeah.
We can't learn at the end here. Okay, and it's very awesome to hear. Yeah. Next question is Anna, self study versus coaching. Like self study, how to, if our aim is to get a single digit rank, not in fourth year. If it is a third year, like most of the students cracked it. That's why I wanted to ask Anna. I was very curious about it. How
See,
if I need to achieve
yes.
single digit rank in third year, how I need to prepare and how I need to schedule in if I'm a self study, if I'm a coaching guy.
See, there is like a very small difference between the coaching and the self-study. The only difference lies in notes making only. Rest all things you need to do by yourself. Only the notes making part. In case of coaching, you get help from the institute in preparing the notes, in like giving a brief about some of the important concept kind of things. So it is like coaching is nothing but a shortcut method, whereas self-study is something wherein the only difficulty lies is in making notes, because you don't know the pattern of examination, you don't know what are the type of concepts which are being focused more in the gate examination. So preparing notes also becomes a difficult task when you're doing a self-study, when you're doing self-study actually. If you could succeed, if you get a very good guidance in preparing the notes, then it is more or less same as the coaching.
It's beautiful explained, Anna. Like you have didn't mention about guidance. The reason for that is internet, because earlier this just before
See,
1 year.
see, now you are available with lot of resources, kind
Yeah,
of things, but this is not a good thing also, because
mm,
whenever you see a lot of content, you get confused.
yeah,
See, one
obviously.
institute, there are a lot of coaching institutes. You get notes of all those coaching institutes. One will focus the particular one institute have a different approach than other institute. So when you see both the material, both the content, you get confused.
Yeah.
Uh, so you require a proper guidance when you're doing self-study.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I wanted to mention. A guidance is not in the sense like which subject is important, which topic is important. It's also it simply means that you should have some mentor. Mentor in the sense, even it might be Akilana, it might be me, it not might be at least the people like teachers, professors, or else the persons who have cracked it. So you need to
Yeah.
at least have a mentor who gives and who actually and like who actually surveillance, like who is like a CCTV camera and like always track your preparation. You should have something called as mentorship. So it's very important, Anna. And you have mentioned about note making, and I want to little elaborate it. Basically, Akilana said that note making in the sense, when if somebody self study, even if he's having not a internet resource, so the only resource that is standard textbook. Is it right or not, Anna? Only
Yeah,
standard
standard
textbooks.
textbook.
But it's standard textbook. The name itself is very standard. It is not defined. It is not wrote in such a way that it should help GATE and ASA aspirants. It's like some complete subject. Like let us take an example of surface tension. You have some important points in surface tension. It's enough to remember. But the surface tension chapter in Frank Rambert or Single and Symbol or Mode MSET is around 2-3 papers. So it's not that much important basically. And always I feel that things which can't be revised are waste to read. One second, things which can't be revised are waste to read. And you have in like Akilana mentioned in earlier, 4 years of BTech, and actually like final 3 years, like first year like technical subjects are not allowed basically. So for like 3 years of engineering subjects in 3 hours decides like further 3 years of gate scorecard, which is not an easy game, that too in the national level. It's not unlike, it's not like diploma, it's unlike, it's because it is a national level game. I think I wanted to know it from you, Anna. Even a single, like I know that how much a rank differs, but I want to know from you, like let us take not even 0.1, Anna, let us take 1 mark, how much difference it can make in gate examination, Anna? I know, but student wants to know.
See, see, 1 mark is something really very important in a GATE examination. See, losing
Yeah,
1 mark, you can land up nearly some 100 to 150
yeah,
rank behind.
yeah,
So
అవును.
that is like the level of competition you see in the GATE examination.
Yeah, no, thank you. No? So that's what I wanted to say. Like it's more than 100. Even if you are in a single digit rank, that what actually happens. Even you are out of thousand, like, that was actually happens. Because basically what happens in gate is you are getting enough time in the sense like there are only 65 questions and there are 180 minutes. Like each minute, each question is getting around 2 to 3 minutes. Even you understand the question and conceptualize the question, it takes 1 minute. But you even have a 1 minute with a scientific calculator, which means that the
See, yeah, this calculator part is something like very like different for this examination. You'll get a virtual calculator, which is like if you're you're using it for the first time, it is a very difficult task to handle that calculator. So from the very start, when you start your practice, use the virtual calculator only.
yeah.
Avoid the normal calculator.
A very good information on it because I
See,
have
many complain
missed it.
that that calculator is one of the reason for not getting succeeded in this examination.
Yeah. It's very important to practice in not only in test. Like most of the people do, they do they like coaching institutes provide test series and also provide a calculator, but they do in this normal scientific casual calculator. It's
Yeah, they
very no,
mostly use that the scientific one only, but prefer the virtual one.
like virtual one on the laptop on the interface. And as you said, like in standard textbook you have a vast amount of subject and like, you can't revise all them and you can't visualize and conceptualize actually. So there are like as Anna said, but you have within a single switch basically in single mobile by tapping one link basically in postal package basically you can get a postal package of different institutes or like notes or else test series. You will provide everything. You will be provided by everything if you use internet properly. But the point over here is using single resource. Akhil and whole point of discussion was using single resources. Trust one resource. Like even you have like hundreds of resources, what you will do? You can't revise and you can't actually do like get the maximum out of them. So at least use one of them. Like people, some of them say that Akhil did got good rank. How can you say that? Because he's got a good rank. Even Akhil got like 100 or like less than 100. That same thing would happen, right? Because like 1 second, yeah, Akilano would got same thing. Akilano would got same thing because he secured such good rank that even he secured a single digit rank like first rank, ninth rank, 15th rank, 50 rank, 100. You would get into same IIT bomb. It's not about rank. It's about getting something called less than 250 rank is something other different came. So he used one resource religiously. He thought that it is like a Bible. He revised it daily. He completely devotional to the thing that was that coaching institute give. There are a hell lot of coaching institutes in India, and when it comes to internet, there are a lot of resources in the internet. You should pick one thing, like under okay, for guidance sake or like for resources sake, you can like for just guidance or mentorship, you can seek out for a lot of people. But when it comes to research, you should choose only one resource. How is your take, Anna?
Yeah, like see, even if you join coaching, you need to completely trust the institute. Whatever they say, you need to like take that.
Yeah.
You need to take
Yes.
that. And even if you're doing the self study, pick one, pick the material or pick the notes of a best institute which you know, and work out. You need to like the main thing here is you need to trust the institute. Whatever they give, you need to accept it. That's it.
Yeah. No.
So
At least
coming to like following the textbook, see, following textbook is a very good practice. See, but for the I think for the gate examination, it would not really work because see in the textbook you'll not get the concepts or you not get uh, from the exam point of view. You'll get from the knowledge point of view, but for the exam point of view, it is not like a good thing. So you follow some of the standard material of any kind of institute. You get a proper synopsis there. So follow that synopsis. It will work out.
yeah, no, yeah, very well explained. Anna. So when it comes to engineering services examination, it's better to go for standard textbooks. But in
Yeah, in
GATE,
case of engineering service exam, you cannot expect a question from a particular concept. They can ask from any nook and corner of that particular topic or the particular subject. So you need to do thorough preparation there.
yeah, no, and again, one thing that excites about GATE is like it's one of the most popular examination. Not it's not just like it is a gateway of opportunity, but the good thing is the patterns exist. Like there are some concepts in which they have like tricky questions, like they do some more like some change basically, just
Yeah,
some change.
they'll always test the aptitude skills in you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even in the technical part also, they'll try to give the questions in such a way that uh, more or less the aptitude of a particular student is being
Tested.
tested
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, yeah. Like they'll give the only fundamental concepts, but the actual good thing about Gate is they'll link with some other topics. They link with, like, let us say in strength of material, they'll
Yeah.
link some bending stress with torsion of shaft. We don't
Yes.
know,
Yes.
because in torsion also it happens the bending, but some of may learn and all, some may skip it. So Anna, it's very good, Anna. Like, next question, Anna. What is the motivation for you, Anna, to prepare for Gate?
See, for me, whenever I think about the outcomes which I'm going to get from the gate, see, whenever I imagine being in an IIT, doing my masters, that is what is motivation for me.
Yes.
Similarly, if you are aspiring for a very good job, a dream job in any kind of PSUs, that might be a motivation for that particular student. Similarly, and many people do follow some videos for motivation, but in my view, they are not required actually. So whenever you want to get motivated, look around yourself. You find many people who are working really hard. See, whether it is your parents itself, because they have undergone like huge sacrifice for you. So whenever you think about them, you get a very good motivation.
Mm.
So you don't require any external motivation. The motivation lies in you. Motivation lies in your parents, uh,
Yeah.
people around you.
That's what even I have said in the yesterday's webinar. Anna. People seek for YouTube, like people seek for motivation and inspiration from YouTube. They just saw their parents and they're working, like it's all about, it's around more than 25 years they are working. The even
Yes.
single days they didn't say that I'm not getting motivation, right? I don't want to go work. I want to take off. They don't want to take
Yeah.
leave. They're not like that. That's what actually discipline means. You should seek motivation from our parents. It's very good explain, and like it's awesome. So Anna, next thing, like under like less than 20 minutes, can you briefly elaborate, like from when you get, like when you stepped into that coaching institute, that reputed coaching institute, till the result came out and your parents were so happy, like they touched the happiness in the sky. So like what was the overall strategy over them, Anna? Like it almost applicates to the ESET people also, diploma people also,
Yeah,
like.
any competitive examination, I would prefer a same strategy. See, you need to prepare in a very sequential manner. You need to assess your progress in frequent intervals of the time. So the complete preparation process happens in a very should happen in a very systematic manner. So starting from notes making, solving questions from the material which you get from any kind of a coaching institute, solve that material. Next, reading the notes thoroughly. The notes which you have prepared, you need to read that once again. And when you're reading, try to make a short notes. Then you need to change your approach towards previous year questions. Try to solve the previous year questions, because it gives you a very good understanding about how gate is asking, what are the topics it is focusing more, so you understand when you do the previous year questions. And if you are having time, then I would prefer you to make a second version of short notes which include only what the formulas, uh, about the second version of short notes. And finally, the test series is one of the important part in your preparation. And writing tests are not enough. You need to give time
Yes.
for analyzing the test which you have written. Assessment of your performance is very important. So then you will understand what are the mistakes I'm committing, whether it's a conceptual mistake, whether it's a calculation mistake, or whether it's something the approach which I'm going towards the question is wrong. You will understand when you do this analysis of your test series. So you need
Yeah.
to work out in the sequential manner. So whenever you find that you're getting low marks in your test series, then you need to change your approach. Like where you are lacking, focus on that part most of the time, and try to improve.
Yeah, no, beautiful explain, Anna. Like it's very simple to explain, Anna. After get examination, when we get response sheet, we check like fastly that how this got wrong, like how it could be wrong. In the same way, every test series you should like we should feel that it's the last test series, and not even last, it is the actual gate examination. Actually, you should use the scribble pad, like same the scribble pad that they provide, and you should like you should like if the class, like if the exam timing is in somewhere around 9 to 12, you should sit at the 9 to 12. You should almost match the environment, and you should feel that that is the actual great examination. Is it right?
Yeah,
Is it?
the
Yeah.
complete 3 hours where you're going to write the test, you need to like mm, uh, think of writing a real examination, the final examination, and you need to give your best.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Like in the short, like we want, like I want to say, first you should select single resource. From that you should create the notes. Like you should write the notes. Then you need to understand the concept thoroughly. If you understand, or like if you feel that there is something void in this thing, rather than going for textbook, it's better to go for the NPTEL videos, right? Yes, yes or no? No, it's better to go for NPTEL videos because they create a
Yeah,
beautiful
you can go
perception.
for NPTEL videos, but if you have time, because the NPTEL videos are very lengthy,
Very lengthy.
so it eats away your time most of the time.
Yeah,
So if you're starting very early, if you're starting in your second year, then you can go for NPTEL, or you can also refer any kind of standard
yeah.
textbook,
Like
make your own notes.
like if there is something called principles just but they can't visualizing, that's time they can approach, rather than approaching textbook, it's better to approach like NPTEL. After the clear understanding of concept from the notes that I have made, it's better
Like
to prepare.
actually, the gate examination or great gate preparation becomes easy when you perform well, even in your academics, because the concepts are the same, even with the examination or even in the academics. So if you're focusing, like you're concentrating your academics properly, then gate examination becomes very easy.
Like most of the people, like this was the next
See,
question
most of
now.
the people, like what they'll do is they'll study just before the examination. Generally, in case of
Happens.
university papers, so they do that. But I would prefer them to like concentrate even in your academic. That will help you in any kind of preparations.
Like this was the next question now, how you manage with semester with get, but you have clear understanding about it. Like, it's like basically Anna is Akilana is saying that it's great is something not different, that it is like it is giving some questions from commerce and CA or some like those questions, like general questions. It's not, it's giving the same technical syllabus but in a different format. Basically it checks the
Yeah.
aptitude as Anna said. So like the best part of this year's Anna, like when announced that third years also can write, generally third year students used to prepare like earlier up to your time, but nowadays due to the announcement of IIT Bombay, it's better to prepare from second year itself. And the beauty of starting from second year itself, that's where actually technical syllabus starts. So you can prepare along with the semester, Anna, right? Yes or no, Anna?
Yes. Yes.
You will have somewhere around five technical subjects and two non-technical. Two non-technical in the sense it's completely different. It's like like Indian Constitution or something other else. So in those five technical subjects also, three, like two, like minimum two would be like very important for gate, and three will be normal. Yes or no, Anna?
Yeah, see, you should always prepare for any kind of examination from the exam point of view. Look out what is the cutoffs of the respective subjects. See, in case of gate examination, you have three major subjects. That is geotech, transportation, and environmental. So
Environmental.
these three subjects will give you around 30, 35
5
to
marks.
40
Yeah.
marks. It will give. So if you get that 40 marks, you can easily qualify the
Yeah.
gate examination.
Yeah.
And I could say that there are five important subjects which you need to focus first. Is this three subjects? Along with that, you need to go with strength of materials and fluid mechanics.
Mechanics. Yeah.
So if you are in a third year, like presently, if you want to give gate in your third year, try to focus these five subjects along with maths, aptitude, and English.
Beautiful.
This for these eight subjects will cover around 75 marks.
Marks. Yeah. Like the same score that you have scored, Anna.
Yeah, the same score which has good.
Yeah. So that's what actually makes sense. And like strength of materials and fluid mechanics is nothing but the basis of civil engineering. So upon that only some other subjects depends, structural or water resource or even geotic transpiration environment also. It's beautifully explained, Anna. The advantages of starting from second year itself is you can prepare along with the semester. Like there are some subjects like construction materials, engineering, geology. They're
Yeah,
not required
these
as
require only memory. This
yeah
requires
yeah.
memory.
At the end of the preparation we can manage it, Anna, while along with
Yeah,
the test
for
case,
these subjects, short notes is something which is very important.
which is very very important. So when it comes to third year like me, it's better to prepare according to the weightage of the gate examination. If the gate examination is the highest priority, like preparing for the geotech the first time, because Anna said that, like it's very common, Anna, like in any competitive examination, if you cover less than 50% of syllabus, you will get more than 75% of marks. Yes or
Yeah.
no, Anna? That's
Yes,
what
yes.
actually happened. Like in civil, we have 15 subjects, and if we actually elaborate, if you consider even engineering mechanics also subject, we have 15 subjects. If you just cover five subjects that Akilana told, that what Akilana told, geotech, maths, sorry, not maths aptitude, technically I'm speaking, geotechnical, environmental, transportation 35, strength of materials and fluid mechanics are all around together 10 to 15. Yes or no? No?
Yeah, you
It's all
see, if you cover these eight subjects, you can cover 75 marks.
75 marks easily. You can even score more than that on so on. So, so it's like as Akilana said, it's better to prepare in that chronological order only. But efficiency important than rather than covering syllabus. Covering syllabus is very important, Anna, but efficiency at the same time is very important. Anna.
Yeah,
Can you
the
little bit
accuracy,
elaborate?
precision is something which is very important because even silliest mistakes you commit will cost 2 marks. 2 marks, you can lose 2 marks for a numerical type of question, which is something which is huge in terms of gate examination. See, you also have the numerical type of questions. See, in case of numerical type, you need to enter the answer numerically. So even if you do a very simple mistake in the form of units, suppose a formula gives you the answer in centimeters but they have asked in meters, so that is a silly mistake which you will perform. You will also waste time in doing that particular problem. It's something which is going to cost you a lot. Secondly, you need to what understand the problem and you need to be very quick towards the approach of the problem. You should not waste a lot of time in the gate examination. Suppose you're not getting any kind of a question, try to skip it, and if you have time at the end of the examination, you do there.
Yeah. Yeah. Anna, last question, Anna. Like basically, it is a comprise of three perspectives. Basically, what's your take on placement? Sorry, what's your take on placement, and how did you acquire the internships? And the last question of this session is, if you want to dedicate your success to a one person, who it would be? First one is like placements, Anna. What's your take on placements?
Yeah, placements is it should be completely based on your college, right? Look at the past record of placements. uh, if some of the good companies that you want to work in, if they are coming, then prepare for placements, give a good time for placements also, and see these placements is nothing something the placement interviews is something which you cannot do at the last moment. It is a part of your academics. So from very starting, from the very first year when you have joined the BTech, the complete BTech will like be a part of the placement.
Yeah,
So you need not give us some like additional what effort towards the placement
preparation.
preparation for the placement. You need to just focus with the aptitude part and English part in the placement, which you can do easily. So look at the past record of the placements. Uh, if very good companies, suppose in case of civil engineering, the good companies are like L&T or Tata Projects. So if your college is you're getting placements in these kind of companies, then you should always try for placements also.
Yeah, we should not neglect it basically.
Yeah, you should not neglect.
But if some civil aspirant is not preparing for gate and he is like going after TCS or any other software based like service based company, it's
Yeah,
very
it is.
wrong basically.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is like it is not wrong. It's completely
Okay.
their like understanding
Perspective.
towards
Yeah.
perspective.
But they're
Actually,
having opportunity.
yeah, see, you have also have a mass recruiters like TCS or Infosys. You get
Mm,
job there very easily if you're studying from a very good college.
yeah.
But think about the growth also. Uh,
Yeah.
See, you're not belonging to the IT industry. You need to work really hard when you join these like companies. So think about that.
Yeah, Anna. In the next question, Anna, like it's not necessarily to disclose the salary, Anna. Like, what would be the range? Like, I wanted to make like bring the motivation from this only, Anna. What it would be the salary if somebody's like these are all of the state students, no, Anna. Like the very good college in this state is Usman University. Even that in Usman University also, even the mass recruiters such as Infosys are like, what would be the highest package, Anna?
What in placements?
Yeah, no, like annually.
Annually, like for a civil engineer, it would be around maximum. It would be around like 5 to 6 LPA.
Exactly. Yeah,
Yeah,
no, yeah.
not more than that. You can't expect not more than that because you don't have any like prior experience. Civil engineering is something which requires experience.
Experience. Yeah, no, yeah.
So the
Beautiful.
like initial salaries are low, but with time
Growth.
you see a very good growth in civil engineering.
Yeah. Even if we bend towards TCS, like all the software, even in that case also, it's like somewhere around 6 lakhs only. Is it right, Anna?
Yeah, in case of software, you get a very good package.
Yeah.
You
Anna,
can
like
even expect as high as like 10 or 12 also.
12, 10. But it requires a dedicated preparation, like we do in gate preparation. Is it right, Anna? Like if you want that much
See,
amount of
if you
package.
want to get into IT industry, you need to know something about programming. You need to be like your approach should be towards programming. You need to learn the
Competitive
latest
programming.
latest programming softwares.
Yeah,
Like you need to do work out there. And the aptitude and English is one of the important aspect when you're going for placements,
yeah,
because
it's very important.
all companies try to test your aptitudinal skills and your English speaking skills, your communication skills a lot. So you need to
Yeah.
work in these areas.
Yeah, okay. It's very good, Anna. Like so, like I want to compare it with the PSUs. Anna. Let us leave for MTech for the some sake. Like, okay, if you get into PSUs, the starting salary is 1 lakh, Anna. Like, it's not. It's like
Yeah,
with
like
many hand.
PSUs are really very high paying
Yeah,
jobs. See,
yeah.
recently the notification of NTPC came.
Came.
Uh,
Yeah, even
uh,
NHI.
NHI. See,
Yeah,
there they'll have a basic salary of around 40 to 45,000. The
yeah.
basic itself is 40 to 45. There will
Yeah,
be add-ons in the form of HRA, in the form of DA. You have
DA.
like many perks. So you can easily get an in-hand salary of around 60 to 65,000 monthly as a
For
first
sure.
salary.
Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah. So that's what actually makes sense. Like you will get double the income than like in placements if you see. But it's not wrong to place it
Yeah,
in the
this is
placement.
the
It's very
main
important.
reason. See, why the people don't prefer doing MTech is this. This is what is the
Mm,
main reason. Because
yeah.
even after doing the MTech also,
MTech also.
what like the package you are going to get, you like is something which is less than what you're going to get from a PSU. That's why
Exactly.
people try to achieve good gate scores and join PSUs.
What actually happens in the placement cell of IITs, those PSUs only same come to recruit in the same thing, Anna.
Yeah, it
Like,
happens.
yeah,
It
yeah, it
happens.
happens. Like if you are so desperate, like in Akilana perspective, he's so desperate in being a structural engineer, so he's going to MTech. It depends, no, Anna. So,
Yeah, it
Anna,
depends because whenever you have a proper guidance towards any kind of subject, you develop interest towards that subject. That ultimately leads you to like do the MTech or do the PhD also.
yeah.
So frequently in my college, there used to be a lot of seminars wherein different professionals used to attend that seminar. They used to give their views on their career. So that's how I developed some interest or some inclination towards a structural engineer. I want to become a structural engineer. That's why.
Yeah. That's what actually exploration means. Yesterday only in one webinar I said that explore as much as possible. That's where you will know that even we have paid nothing, what the actual things that kicks us, that gives motivation to us, like to do. And yeah, at last, like I want to ask two things, Anna. Like it's a very broader question. It's better to like keep another session. Like I like Indian studies versus higher studies. Like it, I think it's very like it's very perspective based, no, Anna. I like both
Yeah,
abroad.
see, now, see, the only difference lies with foreign universities and with India is that whenever a student joins for MS program or MTech program in foreign, they always try to acquire knowledge. But the case in India is that you join MTech program for placements. That's the only difference. The level of what the infrastructure you get to see in case of foreign universities are really very like top notch infrastructure you get to see there, and even IITs offer you a very good infrastructure now. The only difference lies in the perspective. See, their perspective is to acquire knowledge, uh, uh, to like fully use the infrastructure of the college for their research purpose.
Yeah.
But in India, most of the people join MTech because of placements, because of other kind of things, and even in India, many people prefer doing research also.
Yeah, and what actually the hierarchy, what actually happens is, if you after if, even up to internet will it will, if even if you're not doing not good, take 1 or 2 year drop. Like basically what happens in the major chunk of people, they go for IIT preparation, they crack IIT, and in MTech, like in where we are doing MTech, they'll do MS in abroad, and like a safe career planning basically. Is it
Yeah,
right? Like most of the people do. So
see, whenever you join foreign universities, you get a real-time exposure from
exposure.
a
Yeah,
real-time exposure. There, like some of the US universities, they'll do very good in terms of practical study,
yeah, yeah, yeah. It is
which
more.
you don't see in some of the colleges in India.
Yeah, yeah.
IITs you could see, but some of the the state universities, you don't see that.
Yeah, yeah, but like in terms of coursework, in terms of research work, in terms of internship, actual professional can be seen over there, and actual professional work basically.
Yeah. Mm.
Like actually, like choosing any between them is not only these points, but also money comes into the picture. How like there are certain examination that you need. Like there are a lot of things, Anna. Let us discuss in further. Let's. I want to give some insight about this. And the last question, Anna, what are your what are your pro tips, or what are your tips for the future aspirants, like whoever are preparing for any other competitive examination? It may be GRE, TOEFL, IELTS, GATE, ES, or any other thing. What are the basic tips that you wanted to give, Anna?
Yeah, the GRE, IELTS, TOEFL is something very different from the normal GATE preparation. There you need to focus more on English there, English and aptitude there. But coming to the GATE examination or other examinations similar to GATE examination, you require a smart work. You require like proper notes. You require proper short notes. See, I would stress more on the short notes because the short notes really help you. See the total subject which takes around 10 to 12 days for revision. If you make short notes, it will reduce to 5 days, which is
Yeah,
something which is very good for your preparation. So
yeah,
you should know the art of making the short notes. In short notes, you should not dump everything from the notes. It does
yeah,
not serve your purpose. So
yeah, nice.
I like to give a small example here now. I think all are familiar with the theory of simple bending, right? The
Yeah,
bending equation, that is E by R equal to M by A equal to F by Y. So in this equation, suppose you have this equation and you want to make the short notes of this particular theory. Then in the short notes, you need to write the complete assumptions of this particular theory, and you need to write the formula. That is enough in the short notes. You should not write the complete derivation of this particular equation. So this is how you need to prepare your short notes. It should be it should serve your purpose, and it should give you a very good uh,
yeah,
formula approach.
yeah, yeah. And I want to show, Anna. Basically, I have prepared short notes for this examination. If it's like if it's okay, it's is it visible, Anna?
Yeah, yeah, it's visible.
As I said, it is something that you should not write actually theory. The important and key points in the data, and also the things that we are losing out from the brain. It's I wrote it in that way, Anna.
Yeah, like the same way you need to write.
Like it's just 10 rupees notes, and it have only 50 papers, which means 100 pages. Complete ESA syllabus is there, and it may not be possible in case of get due to the vast amount of syllabus and huge amount of data. But it's better
Hmm.
to prepare in this thing, Anna, because have written whole notes of 5 notes, but it having in this single notes. It's very this is what actually you told about revision, Anna, basically. So the next tip,
Yeah,
Anna.
this really helps when you're doing revision because it takes less time for the revision and also you can brief in all kinds of concepts.
Yeah,
And secondly, if you have time, then you can prepare even the second version of short notes, wherein you can remove all the bullet points there. You write only formulas. And
yeah,
I would prefer if you write that in a particular in a big chart paper and stick somewhere in your room.
yeah,
So
yeah.
you have a very good approach towards formulas. You can like simplify the formula itself. You can directly apply that formula. Coming to gate examination, it is very it is really required.
Yeah, yeah. I wanted to show it again, Anna, once again, because even I did all these things, Anna, basically. Like you will see in that.
Yeah, yeah, it's
So
it will really help you
because you need to have a proper table, study table,
because see, in
psychologically.
any kind of preparation, you could see some of the topics wherein you find lot of formulas. For example, in case of transportation engineering, you see a lot of empirical equations, you see a lot of formulas, which you need to remember. So when you write down them, it really helps. Even in case of fluid mechanics, see the pipe flow problems, the laminar, turbulent flows. you see lot of experimental based formulas wherein you see lot of like very big equations which you cannot remember when you study for one time. So you need to like look through those formulas repeatedly so that they are easy to remember.
Suggestions regarding test series and like how we need basically.
See the test series. In case of test series, you see different category of tests there. You can write a topic like tests on each and every topic, or you can write the tests on a complete subject. You can write tests grouping some of the subjects, or you can finally give your grand test. So if you take the test series at a very early point of time, so for checking your progress, see, suppose you have studied a particular subject, immediately you give the test series on that particular subject, and you know how much you are like, what is your performance. If you are lacking somewhere, you can rectify there and you can do corrections.
Yeah, yeah, beautiful explain. And in a typical day, basically we discuss about 3 days. And in general, while you are preparing for like when you went for one of the good reputed coaching academy, what was your daily plan? And when you are in final year, at the point of time you are managing the college and also you're maintaining the internships project and also get preparation. And what was your daily plan at the last month? Anna? Can you explain this 3 days plan? Anna?
For the last month.
Like 3 days, and like when you were in coaching, when you are in final, while you are practicing, and also
Okay,
in the
okay, okay.
last month.
So during my coaching days, I would mostly prefer making notes itself and understand the concepts very well in the class itself. So my classes used to be from morning 5:30 to 8:30. It was a 2 hour class a daily. So I used to attend those classes. I need to like used to make the notes and need to listen properly to the class. And finally, when I get time, I used to study that particular notes. And during the holidays, mostly the Sundays or second Saturdays, I used to have a very long class of 14
Yeah.
hours or more than that, even more than that. So during that weekends, uh, I used to be completely in the coaching itself. uh, and the next day, probably if I get time, I used to revise the same notes,
Yeah.
same notes of the previous class, what happened. And I
Yeah.
used to solve the like basic material which they gave, which is called as volume one or book one, something they'll call. So I
Yeah.
used to practice those questions, and even in the synopsis, you find a good number of examples. So for each and every concept, you see an example. So you need to work out that also. That really helps.
Yeah. Yeah. Like while you are preparing in while you are
Yeah,
practicing
while I'm preparing, like after the completion of my coaching,
coaching.
uh, yeah, early in the morning I used to wake up around 5:30 to 6. I
Same
used to,
same coaching time. Yeah.
yeah, same coaching time. Like the morning hour, the morning slot, that is till 8:30 or 9. I used to do revision. The
Yeah.
subjects which I have already studied, I used to revise those subjects. Uh, and after that, if I have uh, to go to college, I used to go to college. Then after completing the college also, I used to give a very good time in learning new concepts. The new subjects which I have to study, I used to study after the college hour. So in general, I used to study around 4 to 5 hours during my preparation. And the final peak time, like prior to the examination, I used to write like a lot of test series. I gave around 20 papers.
Okay.
So
Is
in the
it
one
full
month,
mock test, Anna?
yeah,
Is
it
it
was a
full?
full mock test. I
Great,
gave
Anna.
more than 20 papers from, and I even enrolled for different test series. I have
Test
gone
series.
through like ACE. I have gone through Made Easy test series also. So
Yeah.
that really gave me confidence, because whenever I used to get a very good marks in the test series, I used to like feel more confident.
Yeah. You wanted to work more harder.
Yeah, work more harder. And see, the test series would be a 3 hour slot. So if I gave test series in the morning, I used to work out with revision or doing some previous year questions in the evening time.
Evening
And
time.
the next morning, I used to analyze the test series, the previous test series.
Wow.
I
Wow.
used to like spend around 1 hour or 1.5 hour in analyzing, and I used to make a like short notes on that also.
Hmm. Mistakes
If
book.
I
Yeah.
Yeah, mistakes book. If I could get any good questions in the test series, I used to note down those questions.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, it really happens. Like what
Beautiful.
happens is that whenever there are instances when the questions directly from the text series could appear in a gate examination. So the mistakes you are doing here, you should not repeat
Comments.
in the main examination. So that short notes, that mistake notes really helps you.
Yeah, I want to interrupt you, and sorry for that. Basically, you're saying a very beautiful point, and actually revising the same handwritten notes like 100 times is better to appear for the test series, because in even gate, even you like appear for 1,000 tests, you will always still feel that there is some other new question, and basically, so
See,
it's almost
whenever you're reading notes, it doesn't give you like a boost, like boosting towards reading, because you read the same notes again and again. It doesn't like really make
okay.
sense. You need to also know the approach towards using the concept. You need to know the approach towards any kind of a problem, which is very, very important. So that's why you need to give a frequent test series to assess yourself whether you're doing mistakes, you're doing the conceptual mistake or a calculation based mistake, or the approach is not proper. You'll understand when you give test series.
The most important mistake, silly mistake. Can you
Yeah,
elaborate
the
about
silly
the silly
mistake.
mistake?
See, there are like very silly mistakes you can like attempt. Even for example, see the gate, you get calculator, so gate will expect a very accurate answer. Even if you're taking the g value, the acceleration due to gravity as 10 instead of 9.81, that might be a mistake. You
Yeah.
land up in some different answer.
Yeah. The worst part about it is you know the concept, you are doing it, you are
Yeah,
investing time, and then you are getting negative result, and like
yeah,
negative one
negative
negative
result.
marking.
Main thing is you're losing the time. You're like
Mm.
wasting the time.
Everything is wasting, yes.
Time is something which is very important.
Important in data. And
Yeah.
like what was your last month? What was your daily plan, especially in the last 1 week, basically?
See, whenever for any kind of examination, the peak time, you should not go for any new concepts. The
Yeah,
concepts which you have already studied, if you want to revise them, you revise, or else simply be idle. Don't
yeah.
You need not work rigorously at that point of time. So I would prefer rather not to study anything. Just look through some of the formulas. That's more than enough during a peak time.
Yeah. The notes, the short notes and the mistakes book
The
is better to
short
prepare
notes,
them.
the formulas, the mistake notes, that's more than
Like
enough.
if you want a little elaborate and make it to the top notch preparation, like in the last month we will get admit card and the timing of the preparation, no Anna. So in the
Yes.
time slot, like, let us example, like, I think you wrote the like morning session, right?
No, I wrote the evening session.
Yeah, let us say example of evening session. What would be the timing in a 3 to 6?
Yeah, it was 3 to
Like
6.
if it is 3 to 6, it's better to write the test series in the same time in the same environment, basically like how the gate examination happens. You can watch the videos, we can watch the videos, so the session I can analyze in the evening, and morning can be revision can be done through short notes, mistakes if some concepts are
Yeah,
little.
even
Yeah,
if
like
in the grand test also, if you think some of the questions which are easy, but you could not make out because of some kind of conceptual understand, you're not understand the concept very well. So work out with those concepts.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's beautiful explained. I think if like is I want to tell students now, if you see during during the coaching, you just what did you just make sure that whatever sir said, you are doing that, like making notes, and if somebody says that do this problem, you did it. And when it comes to fourth year, you just practiced in terms of test series. And also, yeah, regularly what happened is you just did not, like most of the chunk of the people just see those books, see those books, like same thing. But what actually makes the point is writing out test series, like making out test series, picking the key areas like where we do mistakes, and you have rectified it and you have worked on it. And during the final month, you have did both the things, like revised the notes, and also at the same time you have made the test series also. Is it right,
Yeah,
Anna?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Like I
it's
think
true.
over this
See,
preparation,
the
I think.
real-time assessment, that the assessment of your program, the assessment of your mistakes is something very important
It,
in the gate-like examination. Because
yeah, yeah.
even if you like completely prepare the syllabus, but you have not done any kind of problems priorly, that does not give you a very good result.
Yeah, no, yeah. I want to mention here that GATE consists of more than 80% of numericals.
Yeah, you could
Yeah,
see
yeah,
around 70 to 75% of numericals.
yeah, no,
So no guessing will work in gate examination.
no
You need
guessing,
to
no guessing.
complete hard work, complete practice will only work in gate exam.
We may prefer smart work in terms of revision, like how smartly we like
Yes.
in those preparation strategies you can apply smart work, but in terms of syllabus you should do work on. And the last question, na, our college, Usman University, how it changed your life from inter to now, and like what was your mindset before joining into OU, after joining into OU, after getting this rank, how was your journey in OU, and a complete journey in OU, Usman University, our college?
Yeah, see, Usman University is something which is like very good institute in our state.
Yeah,
You get a lot of freedom here, and the environment where you're going to study is also very beautiful. You see a lot of greenery there. See, Usman University has always been like a very important part in my life.
yeah,
I'm very happy. Like I was very happy during my even during my MSET times when I got into this particular college. See, it really helped me. Everything what I know about GATE, I got to know from the Usman University itself. The seniors were very
yeah.
good for me. They
Anna,
really
Anna,
helped
Anna.
me.
Sorry for interrupting, Anna. When you told about senior and we have discussed in college, tell me about I think Rajkumar or Rajshekhar, Anna, who secured our first rank in Usman University. Tell me
Yeah,
about that time, like,
he's
turning moment, Anna.
actually is an associate professor, Mr. Rajendra sir.
Yeah.
Actually, he's a alumnus of Osmania University. He have secured Air One in the year 2006. I guess in the year
Great.
2006.
Yeah.
So he was a teacher. He was a faculty member there, and he was a one of the reason for developing interest towards the structures because he teach some of the structural subjects. He taught us some of the structural subjects that gave me some interest towards the structural subjects. And he
We
also
may say,
and always I used to have a very good approach towards problems.
mm,
I really learned a lot from him.
like
And
we can say that he's your mentor.
even all the faculty members of Usmania universities are like really good. They really help a lot, and
Yeah.
they try to bring the gate atmosphere also.
Yeah.
Some point of
Yeah.
time during the
Yeah.
class, they try to bring
Yeah.
the gate atmosphere. They try to solve some of the questions from the gate
Questions.
examination. Yeah, they do
Yeah. Yeah.
work there.
Yeah. Like most of the assignments are like in the same similar pattern only.
Yes,
Like
yes.
in indirect way, we can say that even you join in coaching institute, the interest like as a catalyst, Rajendra sir worked on it, and like indirectly, he's your like if you are Ekalavya, he's your guru. I think we can say that in terms of mentorship. Is it right, Anna?
Yeah, like it was like the initial time where I don't know anything about gate examination. I used to just admire his personality actually. uh,
Yeah.
I used to learn a lot because you have a very good different you have different approach towards problems
Yeah.
and understanding concepts. So that fascinated me. But later, when I started the gate examination, I understood.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, and like I wanted to I want to ask you that who was something crucial, and it's like who is the crucial like you who you wanted to give like most of the credit like apart from you, who want to
Uh,
who do you appreciate?
I think it is an institute itself, the coaching institute itself,
Mm,
because see, they does not take it very personally, but the level which you could see in any kind of institute is very good. They
yeah,
always
atmosphere.
atmosphere is very good because you see a lot of people working out there, so
Yeah,
you'll
yeah,
understand the competition uh,
yeah,
when you attend those classes. So something, yes, the coaching itself gave me a lot of motivation to say.
yeah. It
I
gets you.
met a lot of people there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's gets out of your comfort zone, and it should like we will get a feeling that we should out of comfort zone. Like at last question I wanted to mention over here, most of the people are like ACT aspirants, and I always say that aim for higher, like cross the bar, make a new benchmark every time. So the whole point of ECT is to getting into a university, and one of the best universities for engineering is obviously Usman University. There is one quote, some philosopher told that, "Tell me your friends, I'll tell you your futures, I'll predict your future." In the same way, the way we are hung out with the friends, it's very important. And like Usman, as you said, if you may not get into Usman University, how Rajendra sir can meet you, like how the good friends that we can get. Is it right or not, Anna? It's very important.
Yeah, you need to know about some things. Like knowing some things is really very important. So if you have a good faculty members, or if you have a good seniors, it will happen.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, in case of Usmania University, most of the seniors usually join this coaching institute. They have culture of joining the some institutes, prepare for the gate examination. The similar trend will carry towards the
The
juniors
similar
also.
trend. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, this is how complete class of mine have joined the coaching institute. Not
yeah.
if not gate, they have joined for other examinations like
Other
CAT or
examinations,
IAS. Also, they have joined.
but they do
So
prepare.
so
Well, they do
we
prepare.
simply follow the seniors. If seniors do, we also do. That's it.
Yeah, yeah. That's what.
So
That's how healthy competitive environment that actually happens in Usman University, Anna.
yes,
So,
yes.
so that this is the thing that motivates people. And even when I was in diploma, I don't know about this OU and even all these things. But when I during my preparation, I just went once, Anna. I have have I've never dreamt about this thing, and I've never I can't accept I can't accept this universe, and because this is so much good, Anna. So that's what actually made me so much curious enough, made me grittier right now, Anna. So like as you say, we are so thankful to Usman University, Anna. We were like completely broken where we was how we was, and it made us it made us Anna, actually.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
made us. The journey is so tough in Usman University, as you know, like the course curriculum or whatever the assignments or whatever the seminars and whatever the presentations are, the journey is tough, but in the same fashion, in the same manner, we are becoming
See,
tougher day by day.
if you perform good in your academics, you concentrate with the academics, the gate preparation becomes really easy.
Yeah, yeah. Anna, I think the time is up, Anna. There are almost like 1 2 minutes. I want to at last, Anna, let us make some few sessions. Like there are some crucial topics that we have missed, Anna, like MTech versus MS in the same IIT. Let us take an example was MTech versus PSU. Let's do this in the further upcoming session after your complete health recovery, Anna.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, at that point of time, like this will video will reach a lot of aspirants, and a lot of aspirants are curious enough to learn about you. I think, Anna, this is one of the best sessions so far, Anna. And every time I'll
Thank
say
you.
the same thing. It's like most of the people say, why you say every time? Because I'm every day I'm growing, no, Anna. Like I'll taking the feedback from the people, and every day I'm improving on myself. So this is the best session in terms of expert talks, Anna. Like it's not like teaching. So in terms of webinars and seminars, this is the best session that I've ever taken, Anna.
Yeah, okay, bro. Thank
Yeah, yeah. And one second, Anna, let us take it 2 minutes. Like, if somebody is curious enough to ask few questions, let us answer that. Anna. Like,
you.
there will
Okay.
be only one minute. Okay, guys. All the greeters. If you have something called question, like, please text me. There's only 1 minute. Like, I think so, Akilan explained everything basically. And the best part is, Akilan is not extraordinary. He is not extraordinary. He's just like ordinary for us. But the work that he did in the third year and fourth year made his extraordinary, but it takes a larger amount of extra. It's not like just extra as we think. Notes for self-study. Let us discuss this in further session because I've explained it. Okay, let's take a generalized question basically. Notes for self-study in the sense, sir, and unexplained everything. If you go to the coaching, they provide the good notes, and if you are a self-study student,
Yeah,
same thing
all
you
the
can.
coaching institutes now available are providing a very good notes. So take that notes and try to make your again try to make your own notes
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
using that reference.
Yeah, and I think most of the people are not getting any questions because they are new to this thing called gate, right? So when it reaches out a larger amount of people after they do them, I think the main motto behind this is there is not only ESET, there is the you should prepare for gate itself. You should prepare for gate. Summaries for today's session, bro. Yeah, I'll summarize completely, Anna. Sakit, how many minutes is left? Can you tell it? Like Sakit, how many times is it, like left? 2 words. Let's summarize the session for fast forward, Anna. Like if something is to add on, you can add, Anna. First
Yeah,
thing,
here I have
first
a question. Like when it is the best time for start preparation? It completely depends on you. See, if
you.
you are free, suppose in the 4 year you think you have some kind of hectic schedule in the form of internships or project work, start early.
Yeah,
And if you can manage with the project work and internship, you can even start in your
final year.
3 to also, and even in the final year also.
Yeah. And now let's summarize the session. First thing, early start, early win. It depends upon different perspective and it depends upon different caliber. So early start, early win. Second thing, Anna, better to join any coaching institute. If not permits, at least take a guidance from an expert who cracked it, or else from the teachers or the professors in your college. Third thing is like even if you're preparing from what like from big standard books, it's very basic to avoid them, and also try to incorporate the postal package of, let us say, Made Easy, Ace Academy, or else you can can even get, when you get into the Suryalo complex of Ace Academy, you will get a like James or something, Xerox Center. You will get the latest notes. You can pick them notes, and after studying them, you can make your proper notes, and also you can revise them, and you can apply the concept by purchasing the previous year questions. After them, again revising and like figure out the loopholes, and like work hard on it, and like appear for the test series. Is it right,
Yes,
Anna?
yes, yes.
This
You
is the
get
same
to know,
cycle.
you get to know your mistakes on test series also itself.
Yeah,
So give
yeah,
whenever you complete any subject, you give test series and try to analyze the test series and know like which part of the topic you are doing mistakes. You get to know and you work in that particular area.
yeah, yeah, yeah. After doing all this hard work, at the final year when you get the result, try to think that point of time what you need to. Initially, if you think like MTech, it's our mind sets the goal that okay, 250 rank is also enough. When you say that oh PSU like oh okay 100 is rank enough, but initially we should have single digit rank, Anna. Is it right?
Yeah,
Single digit rank itself.
you should always have a approach to get a very good rank.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
don't restrict yourself.
yeah, Anna.
Try
Yeah,
to
Anna.
aim for the best.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So in the same way, like you should get a situation as you are getting, Anna, that we need to pick something like okay, I have applied for Native Mumbai, okay, I've applied for several LITs, like all these things, but we should be able to like pick one thing. Is it right? And that feeling is something very great, and actually in terms of
See, if you
in
get a
case.
good rank, you get like multiple opportunities. You can pick MTech, you can pick PSU, you can pick a management course, or you can
Yeah,
pick for like the foreign
foreign
colleges,
universities. Yeah,
foreign universities. So you get a lot of career options there.
yeah, yeah, yeah. At finally, Anna, like what you're like, you call me it as a summary or something as final words to you, final words what you wanted to say, Anna, basically.
If you are really looking forward for any kind of examination, you should give your sincere efforts.
Yeah.
You need to give your sincere efforts. You need to be consistent in your preparation. You need to do real time assessment. You need to analyze properly like what are your drawbacks and try to work in that particular area.
Mm.
uh, and
Yeah.
also like don't restrict yourself towards what
Very good point. Very good point.
restrict yourself to books. Also try
Yeah.
to explore
Things.
things, go out, meet people, also talk to them, talk
Yeah.
to your seniors, uh,
That's very important.
do this.
Yeah. Yeah.
The main part lies where is like you need to do the real time assessment.
Mm.
Suppose you're following a particular strategy and it is not working out, you should
Yeah.
change it immediately.
Yeah.
That kind of nature you need to have in
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
That really comes from practicing the previous year questions, because you get to know what are the what is the nature of examinations. You completely your approach should be from the exam point of view.
Mm.
So
Mm.
develop
Yeah.
that approach and
Great.
work hard.
Yeah, Anna. Like I wanted to explain you one thing, Anna. Like even you relate this thing because we are not like we are very close generation. Let us think 5 years older than us, like almost like our big brother. Basically, what happens is they don't know about this thing called passion, happiness, like whether you're doing the love, you love what you do, they don't know anything, Anna. They don't why they need to do something. So they don't know, they don't make timetable, scheduling, all these things, Anna. They just go and work hard. Our generation got stuck into this loophole thing called passion and some other things, Anna. Is it right, Anna?
Yes, yes,
our
yes.
our parents don't
Yeah,
thought that like
do follow the passion also,
yeah.
uh, because no one knows where you're going to land up.
Yeah, yeah.
Even in your future, your passion could help you.
Yeah, even we reach the bar, actually, even if we reach the benchmark, we need to set another goal. Even it seems to be harder, you should always push your harder, and it's as simple as. And I think today's session was best session. And I think it's not like in conventional interview, like how your parents felt at that moment, what was the time that your results got. It's not like that, and I think
Yeah,
you got.
it's not required also.
Yeah, yeah, I think
All
you
know
also.
if you get a good rank, you'll experience all that, all those things.
Yeah, yeah, I think I think you felt happy with this interview, Anna, because you're changing a lot of lives with this video. Yeah, yeah, I think at last I want to hear one like I always say that don't kill the child curiosity in yourselves. I want to ask you one new thing. Will you say it, Anna?
Yes. Yeah, you
Yeah,
can ask.
just say that I am a grittier, Anna.
Yeah, okay. I'm a great year.
It's a identity that I wanted to build. And thanks a lot, Anna.
Thank you, thank you.
I really admire you. Let make further sessions much bigger and bigger. Let reach. Yesterday we talked about Amanda Tarwal, like Divan AS and get about Navin sir and like Torque 4712 and other thing. And hope
See,
we should
these
reach.
people really help me also
Yeah, like
at
yeah.
any point of time, because they have provided completely like free
Top notch
courses,
content. Top
like
notch
top notch
content.
content, good animations. Also, they provide good animations, engineering content. So
Yeah.
they really helped the student
Yeah.
fraternity a lot.
Yeah. So that's what I wanted to make, and now let's make this even bigger and bigger. Till yesterday, it was a school, like it was like a college brand. Now it becoming state brand. I think I wanted to make a world class product, and yesterday I made a post on this. So let's make it, Anna. Like I'm very proud to be a gritter. I'm very proud to be a gritter actually, and making this identity worldwide. And first of all, I wanted to thank each and everyone, especially Akhil Annaya, for giving his time even in this pandemic. And he even his health is not even good, but Annaya came forward to reach out us in this crucial time, because Annaya even said that it's very crucial time. They need to get motivated. The whole point of discussion ends here. And finally, I love you, Annaya, because you are so genuine, Annaya. You are so genuine. You
Thank
are
you, thank you, thank
yeah, thanks a lot, and I really admire you. And from all the behalf of all the greeters, I just want to say that all the best for all the future endeavors, and whatever you
thank
do,
you, brother.
you should be the best in the world. As I say, world class product, you should be the world class personality, Anna. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, everyone. Hashtag I'm a great here, basically. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Good morning. Good morning.